Here's how you can edit PDF file easily using Microsoft Edge browser for free. Now, first, open up your PDF file in Microsoft Edge browser. Now, you don't even need to install anything. Now, I'll open this file, okay, one of my training file right over here. And you don't need to go to any website or use any plugin or tools. Yeah, you can see that you have all this right over here. So first, let me go through it. If you want to edit it or you want to highlight it, let's say if your guy will send you the documents that you want to review, you can choose here, let's say which color that you want. If you want to have like pink color, and then I can click here, select here, and I can highlight it over here, right? Now, next you can draw, you see. So same thing, change the color that you want, right? And then the thickness, okay? And then you can draw. So let me click here and then I say this, right? Now, you can write as well, right? Draw and write is the same, right? So you can write like this, yeah. Or using the mouse, so don't write it nicely. Or you can just click on here, the text, okay? And then you can change the color, right? To what color did you want? Let's stick with this blue, right? Change this, yeah? Now you can reduce the size and you can just like edit it, like any text, okay? So I can just click here and I can move around later on, yeah? So now if I want to remove this, I can use the eraser and I can just delete it. But you can't delete the text, right? You see that? Okay. All you need is just do this, click here, and then you just delete this if you want, right? So now there are other things like read aloud. Those are additional features, not for editing, but if you don't want to read this, you want to let the documents read to you or let the software read to you, just click here, read aloud, do translate, and you can even ask Copilot AI to help you summarize the whole document. So now the editing features are all here. Go try it out and let me know whether this is helpful. Of course, these are simple editing. If you want to learn more PDF editing functions, do leave a comment right below and let me know what are the functions that you want so that I can create a video for you. By the way, this is Andrew. If you like this type of content, do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you real soon in my next video.